Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. Happy New Year. I cannot believe that it is already 2025. In today's video, we are going to be redecorating our home after the holidays. This is one of my favorite videos to film. I have two more of these videos coming to you very soon, so make sure to stay tuned. We are going to be starting here in our kitchen. I'm also going to be doing a living room undecorate with me and also a primary bedroom version as well. So first things first, I'm going to wipe down all of the countertops and our backsplash, and then I'm putting back the same decor that I had. I am just adding in an artificial plant, which you will see here soon, and also swapping out my rolling pin for my normal non-Christmas rolling pin. This little salt bowl is one of my favorites. It's super functional, but also looks aesthetically pleasing as well. I did get that from Walmart along with the crock that all my utensils are in. I do like to try out a couple different things when restyling my home. Ultimately, for this year, I really wanted to get rid of all winter decor. Last year, I did keep some of my winter stems, but this year I was really craving that simple and clean look. So I just added in some greenery. I don't want to add in any traditional spring decor yet, but you will see as this decorate with me goes on that everything is very minimal and clean looking, which is exactly what I wanted for the new year. Start fresh and clean. Heading over to the corner of our kitchen, I'm going to place this wood cutting board that I shared with you in a shop with me recently. I get so many questions on this. I unfortunately can't link it because it is from a vintage market, but I absolutely love styling this corner with it for all seasons. I'm going to take this really pretty stone mortar that I got from Luxby Co. I will have it linked below for you. This thing is so heavy, such good quality, and it adds so much character to our kitchen. I'm then taking these little baby's breath stem and this pestle that I'm just going to place right inside of the mortar. I thought this would be a nice minimal touch and nothing too overbearing, and I'm actually really happy with the way that it came out. I'm also taking some of these coasters from Fable and I'm just going to be placing those in the middle. This is definitely a functional decor piece because we can use these all around our home, but it just adds that nice little touch. To finish off this look, I'm just taking two of my Magnolia Table cookbooks, and that is going to complete this space. For a cutting board wall, I'm just taking away the bow, the winter greenery, and the bells, and I'm just adding in this very minimal greenery. Again, wanting to keep everything very simple and clean looking. I went back and forth on if I wanted to keep these wreaths up for the rest of the winter season, but ultimately decided that I was going to swap them out for these eucalyptus wreaths that I got from Target a couple years ago. Unfortunately, I cannot link them because they have never brought them back, sadly, but I will try to link something similar in the description below for you. Next, we are going to tackle these ugly sliding blinds that came with our house with the help of today's sponsor, Go Deer Designs. I'm going to leave all of the information linked below for you if you have been looking for a solution for your home. I know for over 3 years we have been looking for something that can take these blinds away. They are just not good quality and they do not look very aesthetically pleasing either. So when Go Deer reached out to me, I could not be happier to accept this collab. The installation was super simple. We just took down our old blinds, put up the new mount, and then here my husband is actually cutting the adjustable panels to length so you can adjust exactly to where you want to hang them and how big your sliding glass door is, and then you place this little metal piece on the bottom of the panels. We went with the color Bali Cottages, and this is in the 99.9% blackout as well. These are their adjustable sliding panels. They have so many different options to pick from on their website. There is seriously something for everyone. I highly recommend looking them up if you have been looking for a solution to get rid of those ugliest sliding blinds. In this new year, we are really trying to find ways to warm up our house. Our house is a lot of black and white, which I still love, but I do think we need to start incorporating some warmer tones, and these blinds really helped with that. They open and close so smoothly, and I just love the look that they give our kitchen. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of them in the comments below. Make sure to check the description box. I will have everything you need to know if you are interested in checking them out. Thank you so much to Go Deer Designs for sponsoring today's video, and now let's go ahead and get back to decorating. After we have the adjustable sliding panels installed, I'm going to tackle our dining table. I'm just going to undo all of our little honeycomb trees and then grabbing all of the stems and metal trees from Pottery Barn, and then going to give the table a good wipe down. I love to do this when I redecorate just because it's the perfect time to get rid of all the dust and grime that has accumulated over the last few weeks or a month. I'm not sure if I ever shared the chairs that we added to our dining room, but these are the Chitta Living chairs that I shared with you from my parents' dining room. We brought some of them home. They kept 2 of them, and then we kept 4. I really love how much it elevates our dining space. I absolutely love that they roll around, and the boucle fabric is absolutely stunning. On top of the dining table, I'm just adding these 2 vases with some stems, keeping it very minimal. I absolutely love the stems that I used here. They are from Michaels, and if I can link them, I will down below for you. Next, moving over to the left side of our stove area, I'm going to remove all of the Christmas decor, and you guessed it, give this area a nice wipe down. Restyling spaces just fuels me with so much inspiration. I love using different pieces that I haven't yet used before. I love incorporating new and old pieces as well. This vase that I'm using I got from the vintage market, and it is very old looking, which I love, but then also pairing it with some newer items that I picked up from Target. It's one of my favorite things to do. I'm going to add in this round cutting board that I got from Target, and then I'm going to be placing a very minimal greenery stem into my vintage vase. I really love the way that this area turned out. It's very natural and just effortless in my opinion, which is really what I was going for this new year in our home. For our kitchen island, I'm first going to take off all the wreaths on our bar stools. I was so excited to get these off of there just because we do like to hang our jackets and things on there, and whenever we would hang our jackets, they would make the wreaths fall off. It was just a pain in the butt. So very glad to see those go, even though I do love the look of them for Christmas. Once I have everything off, I'm just going to give the countertop a nice wipe down. You will have to let me know in the comments below if you have quartz countertops, what is your favorite cleaner to clean your counters with? I would love to know. I'm definitely looking for something new in this new year. Keeping it very simple for our kitchen island with the famous round wooden tray from Target, one of my favorite Wayfair vases with some greenery stems, and then just adding in one of my favorite candles from Walmart. This smells so good. It's perfect for a transitional time between winter and spring. I could burn this candle year round. It smells absolutely divine. Next up is the console table that is directly across from our kitchen. I could not wait to restyle this because I recently picked up some items from the Target Hearth and Hand collection if you missed my last video. So I was itching to get the garland down and redecorate. I don't know what it is about decorating after the holidays, but the house just feels so amazing, so clean and minimal. I love Christmas decor, but I decorate so early that by the time Christmas is over, I am so ready for it to go. I do definitely change every year though. Like last year, I kept up more winter decor through the springtime and then swapped over to the greenery stems. But this year, like I said, I was just so ready to get into the clean and minimal decor. This lamp from the new Hearth and Hand collection is absolutely stunning. One of my favorite pieces she released. The second I saw it, I knew that I had to snag it. I got it really early before it even released online, so I think that was my saving grace because I do believe it is sold out now. Then layering in this artwork from the Hearth and Hand collection, I believe this is also sold out, but some of these items should be restocking, so make sure to turn on your in-stock notifications or check your local stock. Adding in 2 coffee table books with one of my favorite bowls that the Studio McGee line came out with at Target. So beautiful, love the texture on it. Then I'm going to add in one of my favorite vases from Hobby Lobby. I will try to link it below for you just so you can see if your store has it. I'm also adding in these really pretty realistic greenery stems from Etsy. I love for our home to feel earthy and organic, and I really wanted to be intentional when redecorating for the new year so that I could make those things come to life in our home. The last area that we have to tackle is this hot cocoa bar that I set up for my little niece and nephew for the Christmas season. It was so much fun and it was very functional. I used it quite often because I do love hot cocoa, but I'm going to keep this simple. We have a massive wall of cabinets, which means we have a massive amount of counter space. So I'm just going to add in this wooden tray with a vase with some baby's breath, a cookbook, and then my salt and pepper mills from the Hearth and Hand collection. And that is going to complete this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I will leave all of the links that I can in the description box down below. Happy New Year! Thank you so much for being here for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!